Good morning, all. My topic of the presentation is store security aspects. Store security relates to two basic issues: personal security and merchandise security. Personal security is the security offered to employees as well as to the customers. Nowadays, many shoppers and employees feel less safe at retail shopping locations than before. That's why companies like ADT is a American company, offer security support to retailers including smaller ones. These are among the practices that retailers are utilizing to address this issue. Some of the methods for ensuring personal security are: first one, uniformed security guards provides a visible presence to reassure customers and employees that they are a warning to potential thieves and muggers. So offering uniformed security guards in the shopping areas will provide a personal security to the customers as well as to the employees. Some shopping areas have horse mounted guards or guards with patrol on motorized seaway personal transporters. Some shopping areas provides guards with horse and also motorized seaway personal transporters. Also, undercover personal areas used to complement uniform guards. Another method is providing brighter lighting used in parking lots, also provided with guards and frequent patrolling. Next one, providing TV cameras and other devices which is scanned frequently by shoppers and employees. One of the examples is 7-Eleven store. 7-Eleven store is a American Japanese company which provides cable TVs and alarm in-store cable TVs and alarm monitor systems complete with the audio. Another some shopping areas have curfews for teenagers, and another method is restricted access to store backroom areas. Also, another method is providing personal securities is providing armed security guards where the bank deposits are more frequently using. Another aspects of merchandise security store security aspect is merchandise security. Merchandise security is enabled by using the tools such as merchandising security, smart inventory management tools, anti-theft signage, educational materials for theft prevention, cameras and video analytics, and electronic article surveillance (EAS) systems. First one is merchandising security. Merchandising security is a great way to allow customers to pick up and test their products while keeping them tethered to display furniture. This type of security is given to products which are high value products such as mobile phones, tablets, or laptops. Some retailers use a security stand that mount on the top of their furniture and allow them to display phones, watches, tablets, and cameras while keeping them secure and tethered. So, by providing merchandising security, the customer can pick and test the products while keeping them on the display furniture. The figure shows this type of mounting used by iPhone. This type of mounting is also available for magnetic holders, wire grip holders, and others. As told earlier, this type of mounting is used for high value products like laptops, mobile phone, etc. This type of mounting is also available with inbuilt charges, so the products are charged to ensure greater customer experience. In many retailer stores, they put this type of convex mirrors to improve the visibility of displayed products so that the thieves become more conscious and their access since they feel more watched. So by installing this type of convex mirrors in the corners of the shops, we can decrease the shoplifting activity. They are cheaper, non-technical loss prevention devices, also simple and very effective also. Next type of providing merchandising security is smart inventory management tools. This management tool is installed by watching inventory like a hawk through regular stock counts and monitoring discrepancies. So watching the inventory like a hawk through the retail market and taking the regular stock counts, and if there are any decrease in the counts of the products, immediately monitor or immediately inform to the higher superior officers. This way, by this way, we can decrease the theft in the store. Also, using smart barcode scanners in the stock for the stock taking to accurately account for inventory levels is helpful. The picture shows the mobile phone reading the barcode scanning using a mobile phone, so that using the barcode scanning we can immediately took the stock counts. Also monitoring user permission levels of this staff for operating the point of sale system. When allows to set different permission level, so only key employees can edit data on the system. Next type of providing merchandising security is anti-theft signature. Anti-theft signature is a way in which the customers providing a warrant to the customer that the consequence of shoplifting and the uh, um, and the customers giving him information that what will be the consequence of the shoplifting. And the picture shows the one of the example of this type of anti-theft signage. Next type of merchandising security is educational materials for theft prevention. It is one of the best ways to curb theft through education. Keep the employees and the team well informed of the latest loss prevention practices so they can secure the store effectively. This is also enabled by making them e-learning programs and induction modules while they join in the company itself, so they can set a right foundation for controlling theft from the start of their job. Next type of providing merchandise security is installing cameras and video analytics. Surveillance cameras at key points around the retail store, complemented by video analytics software, can be a fantastic theft prevention formula. This type of software can be identifies any kind of suspicious moments occur, like customer walk out of the door without paying, instantly get an alert if it happens. Modern techniques modern techniques of installing camera or camera techniques will enable facial recognition technology. This type of technology will identifies the known thieves by matching against the existing database of criminals or thieves supplied earlier by the police. Another type of providing merchandising security is electronic article surveillance or EA system. EA system is a tag that is attached to the product's retailers and a trigger of an alarm if a shoplifter walks out with a product with the tag still on the electronic sensor at the exit gates. There are many types of EAS devices used like tags, labels, antennas, spider tags, and more. EA system use a combination of radio frequency, electromagnetic technology, sensors, metal detectors to prevent theft. A good EA system is one which provide less number of false alarms. Also, EA system provide with real-time data through RFID technology. RFID means radio frequency identification technology, which enables a real-time data through the moment the products enter to store to the they leave to the store. That's all about the store security aspects. Thank you.